Introducing the 2024 Volvo XC60 T6 Phev Plus Bright AWD. This stunning 5-door estate boasts a powerful 2-litre engine with petrol plug-in hybrid electric fuel type and automatic transmission. With a luxurious blue exterior, this beauty is sure to turn heads on the road. Loaded with comfort and safety features such as ambient lighting, cruise control, rear armrest, 360 view camera, collision avoidance braking, and more, you can drive with peace of mind and style. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive away in your dream car today.